Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JBL Boombox 2. Now you can pick this one up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $500. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to answer 3 questions. Number 1, is this speaker worth $500? Number 2, does the JBL Boombox 2 sound better than the original JBL Boombox? And number 3, if you pair 2 of these speakers together, is the sound loud enough to get you kicked out of your apartment or get the cops called on your house? Alright, so let's go through all of the features. You got Bluetooth version 5.1. You got JBL Signature Pro sound, monstrous bass. The battery life is 24 hours. Now it takes 6.5 hours to fully charge the speaker. Now on a side note, if you're playing this at max volume, cut that battery life in half. Now the speaker is IPX7 splash proof, which means some raindrops or some splashes won't hurt it, but you can't submerge it in the pool. Now you got a built-in power bank, which is 5 volts, 2 amps, so this way you can charge your phone, your tablet, your camera, whatever you got on deck. Now the speaker features Party Boost. Now that means you can connect multiple speakers that feature JBL Party Boost. Now on a side note, if you got the original Boombox, that's JBL Connect Plus. So you can't connect the old Boombox to the Boombox 2. Then you also got a built-in carrying handle. Alright, so all of that for $500. Let's unbox this and see what it is. Alright, so here's everything you get in the box. Got your usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. And you got your plug. That's pretty much it. Now for the speaker itself, definitely lightweight. Let's see the 1-finger test. I can lift this up with my pinky, so it's not heavy at all. Now if you look under the handle, you got this nice textured grip. That's a new touch. Makes it a lot more sturdy in your hands. On the front, you got your JBL branding. This is your battery level indicator. On the top, here goes your buttons. So you got your JBL Party Boost button, volume down, power, Bluetooth, volume up, and play and pause. On one side, you got your JBL branding. On the other side, JBL and signature. On the bottom, nice big rubber stopper, so that's going to keep it in place. And on the back, if you open up this flap, that's your AC power input. That's your USB-A out, that's for the charging bank. Micro USB, that's for service. And a 3.5 auxiliary input. Pretty much it. Now let's do a size comparison with the original JBL Boombox. Alright, so I got the original JBL Boombox and the Boombox 2 side by side. Now as you can see, they're basically the same size and the same length. Alright, so no real difference in the size, no real difference in the weight. Alright, so I just paired the speaker up, so now we can do a little sound test. Now on a side note, for the pairing process, all you have to do is power up the speaker, press the Bluetooth button, go to your phone's Bluetooth menu, and select the Boombox 2. Alright, throw your headphones on. Alright, so we're going to start at 50% volume. Alright, so now here's max volume. Honestly, this speaker sounds incredible. Let's try one more track. Alright, so now let's see how two JBL Boombox 2s paired together sound. Now, in order to connect them, you're going to use JBL Party Boost. Now, that's one of the things I love about this speaker, how easy it is to connect to the second speaker. All you have to do is press the Party Boost button on the first speaker, press the Party Boost button on the second speaker, and it takes literally under 10 seconds to connect. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so we're going to start off at 50% volume. Alright, so here's max volume. Alright, so now let's do a comparison with the JBL Boombox and the JBL Boombox 2. Let's start with the original Boombox at 50% volume.
Lock of 18.
Yeah. That shit was. Queens. Yo. Try heavy. What you doing? Yeah. Hot. Yo. What you know about playing the block with a pack in your drawers? Ready to clip the shit popped and we right back in the mall. Feeling another 6 drop when it was actually yours. Sound like hip hop when it was actually raw.
Now here's the JBL Boombox 2 at 50% volume.
18.
Yeah. That shit was. Queens. Yo. Try heavy. What you doing? Yeah. Hot. Yo. What you know about playing the block with a pack in your drawers? Ready to clip the shit popped and we right back in the mall. Feeling another 6 drop when it was actually yours. Sound like hip hop when it was actually raw.
Now here's the original JBL Boombox at max volume.
Lot of 18.
Yeah. That shit was. Queens. Yo. Try heavy. What you doing? Yeah. Hot. Yo. What you know about playing the block with a pack in your drawers? Ready to clip the shit popped and we right back in the mall. Feeling another 6 drop when it was actually yours. Sound like hip hop when it was actually raw.
Now here's the JBL Boombox 2 at max volume.
18.
Yeah. That shit was. Queens. Yo. Try heavy. What you doing? Yeah. Hot. Yo. What you know about playing the block with a pack in your drawers? Ready to clip the shit popped and we right back in the mall. Feeling another 6 drop when it was actually yours. Sound like hip hop when it was actually raw.
Here's the original Boombox.
Just a young trapper with a passion of flaws. Plus I got a knack to get the packages crossed. All borders, I be ballin' 4 quarters. Trying to find a purpose in the streets, scratch the surface. I seen these rappers nervous, black heat, black Suburbans. My ex-trapper got a job, so shit ain't working for. If she don't pay a mortgage, then it's curtains for.
Now here's the Boombox 2.
With a passion of flaws. Plus I got a knack to get the packages crossed. All borders, I be ballin' 4 quarters. Trying to find a purpose in the streets, scratch the surface. I seen these rappers nervous, black heat, black Suburbans. My ex-trapper got a job, so shit ain't working for. If she don't pay a mortgage, then it's curtains for. I told her welcome back, then bought a Birkin for.
Alright, so let me say this. When you watch my Bluetooth speaker videos, you're watching them to get my personal opinion. Now, it doesn't matter what kind of microphone I use, and it doesn't matter what kind of speakers you got at your house. You're never going to truly hear speakers unless you're sitting right in front of them. So here's my personal opinion. Both of these speakers sound incredible. Now, the JBL Boombox 2, it might sound a tiny bit, and I mean a tiny bit better and cleaner, but is that worth an extra $100? The answer is no. So if you already got a JBL Boombox, you don't need to upgrade and get the Boombox 2. Now, if you don't have any, then you might want to get the Boombox 2 because of Bluetooth 5.1, you're going to get a better connection. Let's wrap this up. All right, so now let me answer those 3 questions. Number 1, is this speaker worth $500? And in my honest opinion, the answer is no. And the reason I'm saying no is the JBL Boombox is $400. This one doesn't sound that much better and definitely not $100 better. Next, does the JBL Boombox 2 sound better than the original JBL Boombox? And the answer is a teeny bit. A teeny bit, but again, definitely not $100 better. And lastly, if you pair 2 JBL Boombox 2s together, are you going to get kicked out of your apartment, The answer is yes, and if you're having a party at 3 o'clock in the morning at your house, somebody will be calling the cops. The sound quality on this speaker is incredible. The bass is thunderous. I literally love this speaker. I just wish the price was a little bit cheaper. But you got Bluetooth 5.1. All right, you got 24-hour battery life. It's IPX7 splash proof. You got party boost, so you can connect multiple speakers. And you got a built-in power bank. On a scale of 1 to 10, even though the price is TGH, it's a major, major, major go. In my opinion, it should have been $450, but hey, it is what it is. You got to pay to play, so let's play. Anyway, JBL Boombox 2, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. And on a side note, let me know if y'all want me to do a real comparison between the JBL Boombox, the Boombox 2, the Party Box 100, the Party Box 300, and see which is the best overall deal. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Braven XXL2 Rugged Portable Bluetooth Speaker.